You are cruising down the highway, and suddenly you hear a nasty, rhythmic metallic rattling sound coming from deep inside your engine block, right before your dashboard lights up like a Christmas tree. That terrifying engine chatter combined with a P2344 diagnostic trouble code means your powertrain control module has detected that cylinder number 9 is operating way above the acceptable knock threshold. Your engine uses highly sensitive microphones called knock sensors, which are built with specialized piezoelectric crystals that generate a tiny electrical voltage whenever they detect the specific high-frequency vibrations of an engine knock or detonation. When the computer suddenly sees a massive voltage spike from the sensor monitoring cylinder 9, it knows the air and fuel mixture is detonating prematurely instead of burning smoothly, which can literally shatter your pistons if left unchecked. You might experience a huge drop in performance, terrible fuel efficiency, or a severely rough idle. Your absolute first diagnostic step is incredibly simple. Pull the dipstick and make sure your engine actually has enough clean oil, because severe oil starvation will cause internal mechanical noise that perfectly mimics spark knock. You also want to make sure you didn't just fill up with cheap, low-octane fuel, which causes serious detonation in high-compression engines. If your fluid levels are perfect, check the maintenance schedule for your spark plugs and ignition wires. Old, degraded spark plug boots will cause a severe misfire that the knock sensor misinterprets as internal engine damage. Once you rule out the basic maintenance items, you have to get your hands dirty. Grab a digital multimeter, unplug the knock sensor harness, and test the continuity of the wiring going all the way back to the main computer. Because these sensors are usually threaded directly into the side of the hot engine block, the wiring gets completely baked over time and becomes incredibly brittle. If the wiring harness tests perfectly fine and you have zero actual mechanical engine noise, replacing that faulty knock sensor will usually clear the code and give you your smooth ride back.